In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the unable to change username issue on Twitter. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down to find Apps or Applications, or long tap the Twitter app and press the info icon. Scroll to the Storage section and tap Clear Cache to clear the cache for the Twitter app. Next, try force stopping the Twitter app. Go back to the Twitter app settings, tap Force Stop to stop the app from running in the background, and confirm by tapping OK when prompted. Next, update the Twitter app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Twitter, and if an update button is available, tap it to update the app to the latest version. If this doesn't help, restart your phone after updating the Twitter app. This will refresh the system and ensure any background processes affecting the Twitter app are cleared. After your phone restarts, open the Twitter app, navigate to your profile settings, and try changing your username again. Follow any prompts or verification steps required by Twitter to complete the username change. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.